Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing one profitable niche you can speak about daily. This focus speeds growth. Next, sign up for a creator or business account on TikTok and join affiliate programs that accept creators. Make sure your payout details are ready. Once done, sketch 3 15-30-second video concepts: value, demo, and soft sell. Explain why each works and where the affiliate link will live. This immediately moves you from setup to content production. You now focus on crafting content that converts. Open with a compelling hook in the first 1 to 3 seconds to stop the scroll. Then show a concise demo that highlights a single benefit fast. Make sure you tell viewers exactly what to do next, verbally and visually, and direct them to the link in bio or pinned comment. Once edited, post consistently and review analytics to see which hooks and CTAs drive clicks and sales. You finish by scaling what works. Reinvest ad spend into the best performing videos, collaborate with others, and duplicate winning formats. Simultaneously track clicks, conversion rate, and average order value so you can optimize offers. If click-through rate is below 2% or conversion below 1%, change creatives or CTA. If things break, check links, confirm affiliate approvals, and test different posting times. These quick fixes usually restore performance fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.